What's up, G37 gang? I'm back here with another video, and this video I'm gonna be taking the G to the car wash. I'm gonna remove the front seats, rear seats, just the vacuum underneath, clean it thoroughly. I got a bad nephew, so who knows how many McDonald's fries he's dropped between the seats or whatnot. So this video will be helpful for anyone who's looking to strip their interior, maybe fix their interior as far as reupholstering, wiring, whatever, whatnot. One of my subscribers had requested that I do this video. His name is James Dean Cooper on the Instagram. So let's get to it, guys. Removing these little plastic clips. That one. This one over here in the corner. Two 14mm bolts. Damn, them motherfuckers are tight. Alright, we're just gonna move this seat up to get to the back bolts. Alright, you just move this clip here, and then this one here. First one, loose. Alright guys, this is the passenger side, same thing as the other side. Pop this clip off. Move the seat back a little bit. Oh, it is all the way back. Now you got the two 14 mils. You loosen it. Now you just move the seat up. Alright, now you just got the two clips on the back here. Hook onto the rails. Pull these off. Not on tight at all. This one also. And you got these two bolts right here, two 14 mils. Alright, very important step. Pop the hood. Take that negative terminal off so you don't get the airbag light. Alright guys, underneath here you got this clip here. You gotta push in. Damn, I think it takes some force.
Alright. That one out. Yeah. This one out. Same thing. Yeah. That one comes out. And this one. That one out, and this one can come out, and this little guy come out. And just there. That one out. And then this. On that, and it should come out eventually. Son of a bitch. Let's try to get this one out. This one's coming. That's coming. Slowly but surely it's coming. Yeah. Oh god damn. Fucking tight. Yep. She's out. Alright, now you just gotta get this one out. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Alright. There goes the loom. That's out. Make sure you don't damage this. Alright, guys. This is seat number 1. Just to let you guys know, these seats are like 100. Stuff 200 pounds. So careful with it. And scratch your interior or you paint up. Oh, fuck me. God damn. Super duper heavy. Shit. Fuck. God damn, this bitch is heavy. Shit. Ugh. Fuck. Heavy as shit. Alright guys, get the rear seats out. You just sit right here and give it a little tug. Pop out. There you go. Alright guys, yeah, everything taken apart, but this back seat, you need to remove this bolt, that one, and then I disconnected the negative battery so I can't get the trunk open. But you would open the trunk and then these will drop down and you can pull them out, but you would have to remove these pull off, the two side covers, if you want the backrest to come out. But I think this is as far as we go right here. You know, pretty much everything's taken apart. These just pull out the side under the weather stripping, both sides, and then 4 bolts, 14 mils, the rear seat release, and then they pull out. So if this helps you guys, man, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.